everyone! Only 2 weeks left until Tet, the Lunar New Year, the biggest celebration for Vietnamese people, officially begins. To prepare for the festive season, Hàng Mã Street, famous for its Tet decoration shops, has already come alive with vibrant energy. Today, let's dive into the bustling atmosphere of the iconic street. For the 2025 year of the snake, shops of Hàng Mã Street kicked off their preparations early. Right after Christmas, the entire street transformed into a sea of red and gold, symbols of luck and prosperity, from lanterns and conglets to glittering garlands. Each item here radiates beauty and charm that's hard to resist. This year, handcrafted Tet gift baskets featuring traditional items like 5 fruit trays, bánh chưng, bánh giò, and peach blossoms are highly sought after. Prices range from 100,000 to 500,000 Vietnam dong, depending on the intricacy of the design. These items are meticulously made, vividly capturing the rustic and familiar flavors of Tet while adding a special touch to any home. Each stall offers its own unique selection of Tet decorations, coming together to create an incredibly vibrant and diverse tapestry. This year, many handcrafted items has become favorites among shoppers. Do Quyen is standing next to a stall filled with eye-catching, meticulously crafted, and beautifully made handmade decorations. Hello, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Hi, my name is Louise, and I live here in Vietnam.
How long have you been living in Vietnam?
6.5 years.
And coming to Vietnam, what impressed you the most in this street?
Sorry, what impresses me the most on this street? Probably all the decorations, how many there are and how busy it is. And I think it's quite an exciting place to come.
What impressed me the most? How alive and authentic the neighborhood is, and everybody gets around on the mopeds and the cars. This street is unbelievable.
Okay, and what have you bought for Tet celebration?
So far, not for the celebration, but my husband and I just bought eggshell lacquer paintings, and we're gonna buy some cards later.
Thank you so much for answering our questions. Do Quyen is deeply impressed because the shop owners here are not just ordinary vendors, they are truly artisans who transform their lifeless materials into elaborate and grand masterpieces, making their store stand out on the street. Intricately crafted paper fireworks, paper flowers, and golden bells are stunning and eye-catching. Essential Tet decorations such as red couplets with meaningful wishes, green bánh chưng, and other traditional items are also widely available here. The colorful atmosphere never fails to captivate tourists, drawing them in to explore, taking photos, and go shopping. How's your Tet shopping coming along? I hope this short features gives you a useful insights to prepare for a warm, fulfilling, and joyous Tet with a loved ones. Our time together has come to an end, but I wish you all the best for the upcoming years. Goodbye and see you next time!